on the K card or the digital output card, we've got two options here. So we've got the phase 40 option and we've got the DB25 option. So for the phase 40 is straightforward. The first two connectors, as we said on the top, will be the positive and negative voltage, and then you can drive the rest of the options. Now the digital output card would have come in 8, 4, 8 or 32 channel cards, right? And this is the phase 40 termination, so you can either order it with 8 or 32 channel 16 KE card. So 32, 24, 16, and 8 channels, okay? Now for the DB25, the option, you have a middle Phoenix connector in here, and this middle Phoenix connectors, I'm just going to go through the pins. So pin 1 through pin 8, right? And as noted here, you can see it, pin 1 through pin 8. So pin 1 is basically an interposer coil power supply connection. Pin 2 is a return from the coil supply. So you gotta supply it and return it back to the DB25, to the Phoenix connector, to the D25, right? And then we've got 3 and 4, or pins 3, 4, 7, and 8. And the way it works is that pin 3 and 4 and 7 and 8 control the 32 channels. So pin 3 would control channel 1 to 8, pin 4 would control channel 9 to 16, pin 7 would control channel 17 to 24, and pin 8 would control channel 25 to 32. And if I want to set it for raise lower, I would connect it to pin number 5 for positive voltage. If I want to set it for trip and close, I would connect it to pin number 6 for trip close, or basically what we call a digital output operation. Okay. Pin number 5 would connect to jumper 1 through 4 for a raise lower operation. So if I want to achieve a raise lower setup, I would connect it to pin number 5 for a positive voltage, pin number 6 for a trip close setup.